Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban penyiar susu Islam Aji kai segi kena skul ka Synod Higher Secondary School Shillong haka khat sau terik benai nailar arjar khat kendai kala Plie ba Kamra Klas ba Thymmai bala bai pisaling ba ka Asian Development Bank haka jingalang ka bala long ha phalau jong kani ka skul ya kani Kamra Klas la Plie ba dong menteri lang ba ka jelau Konrad ki sangma u bala long kum kongsan harangkat ka jinga dan lang jong MLA ka North Shillong constituency ba adal bat nongrom u bala long kum sembut kongsan bat kenthop ka MLA barem ka North Shillong constituency ka Kong Roshan Wajri u president jong ka school managing committee u Reverend WC Khongwer u bala long shong konor hagni ka jingalang bat ka principal jong kani ka school ka Kong A Phira u Konrad sangma hagni sngiu la Plie ba ro ya ka website jong school ban pathai jing tep sipat ba ki bakwa banyo jing tep shapang ka jing trai kam jong kani ka school.
I'm happy to inform you that this ADB joint program with the government for a human development program that the government of Meghalaya took up, amounting to close to 650 crores, out of which government of Meghalaya spent about 162 crores. And there are many such schools that have been developed all throughout the state. 65 schools have been completed, 62 schools have been completed, and 55 schools are in progress of being completed. 4 diet and teachers training institutes are being constructed all over the state. 10 pilot projects for science labs and 10 pilot projects for computer labs are being taken up. 3,500 teachers have been trained and more will be trained. 30,000 plus students and youth will be trained through this program. So it's a massive program that was taken up by government of Meghalaya. And today this is one of the projects that we have seen. And I think it's a great honor to be here today to witness this, because we have always felt as a government also that human development is going to be the biggest challenge for us. And therefore adequate importance must be given to the human development programs. And that is why this program is of very, very great importance. And I must thank the ADB and the entire government machinery that has worked tirelessly to ensure that all these programs, one by one, are being completed. It's a 5-year program. It's almost on the verge of completion. 5 years have been completed. But I must take this opportunity to also inform you that realizing the importance of human index, of human development, government of Meghalaya is very keen to take part 2 or phase 2 of this project ahead. It's not as simple, we are working on it, but I hope that with the intervention of Government of India and with the support of institutes like the ADB, we will be able to take this project forward in a phase 2 manner. If you look at our population trend, we have maybe close to 15 lakhs to children who are below the age of 15. Close to about 3 lakh children who are at the age of going to highest secondary and college level. If you look at the college students, I don't have the exact numbers with me right now, but it's anything between 2.5 lakhs and above. We have about 72 colleges that are there in the state. And even if each school or college manages to have about 1,000 students in them, we can't even cater to 30% of the youths. So herein lies the challenge for the state. We expect maybe 4 to 5 lakh youth are going to join the workforce in the coming years. We need the right skill to be given to them. And at the same time, we need to ensure that jobs are created for them. And I can assure you it's not going to be government jobs all the way. Government has 65,000 employees. Even if we increase by another 5%, 10%, it's not going to be enough for the 4-5 lakh workforce that's going to come in. So human development and human index is the biggest challenge for us. And that is the reason why it's so important for us as a government and the society as a whole to remember that this channel and this energy, this resource that we have, the human resource, must be as productive as it can. And to be able to do that, we need to ensure that the right skills, the right values are given to these children. So friends, this is a challenge that we are looking at, but I know that with the kind of enthusiasm, with the kind of support, with the kind of work that all stakeholders have been putting in, I know that we can achieve and overcome those challenges that we have.